Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and fine. Uh, I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I'll be going to solve Coursera assignment. The course name for this video is Introduction to Programming with MATLAB Web. In week 5 for this MATLAB series, I made a playlist. You can access it from description box below as well. So today I am going to solve this question graded assignment lesson 4 wrap up. So let's open it in the new tab. Okay, it's opening now. It is taking some time. Okay, so open to. So this is the question: matrix construction. The question name is matrix construction. Okay, let me first read the question. Write a function called trio. The question name is trio, that takes two positive integer input n and m. Okay, the function returns a 3n by m matrix. Okay, function will return 3n by m matrix. Okay, that's nice. After that, matrix called T. The top third of T and n by m matrix. Okay, in all false the middle twos while the bottom threes. Okay, for an example, see the code below. If you have to 2 by 4, so 2 by 4 ka this type of 1s, 2s and 3s ka. Okay, so what I have to do? First let me open my MATLAB, open in new window. First let me clear it all. Now let me start with writing the function. What is the function name? FNCTI1 function. Function what will return? It will return a matrix. It will return a matrix M. Okay, it will return a matrix M. And what is the function name? Function name is trio. What it takes? It takes two input, I think. It takes two input n m. So let me make it a. What it takes? It takes n comma m. Okay. So type. Now what it returns? M a. This function will return a matrix which is of the size of the matrix is 2 size of the matrix of 3 into 2 by 4, because 1s and 2s and 3 2 times we have to print it. So let's go to next one. What will be a is equal to ones. First let me print ones. What is the ones? 3 into n, 3 times. What will be the row? Column. Row will be this and column will m. Okay, till this time it is okay. Okay, now a of n plus 1, n plus 1 column comma, और क्या होगा? column, all the column will be same. It is in the row is equal क्या होगा? उसके बाद 2 में जाएगा तो 2 times 1 हो जाएगा. 2 times 1s का कर लेंगे 3 into n. Okay, comma m. That's nice. तो first okay, after that we have to the 3's roller, we have to do 3. So m a into n 2 times हो जाएगा. 2 times n से 2 times n till 3n से फिर n plus 1 से 2n तक फिर 2n plus 1 से n तक 2 into n plus 1 till end comma total. What it should print? It prints 3 times 1s 3 into n comma m. What ones prints? If we give the, let me show you. Ones will print 2 into 2. Then it will print 2 by 2 matrix of 1. If you multiply by 2, then it 2 into, let's say, into 2. Okay, as you can see from this, and this is the row and column. From first line it will print this. From after that n line to from first n line, it will print once. After n plus 1 line to 2n, it will print this to end plus 1 to end till the end, it will print 3. Okay, that's nice. And now I have to close the function. So let me close it, end. Okay. Let me run it first. Okay, first it will say the file name must be same as the function name. What is the input he is taking? Trio24. So let me Trio2. I think it is giving some error. Line 4, column 20. Okay, column 20. Somewhere there is, okay, I missed the equals to sign here. So now let me run it again. Okay, now it's fine. Now I'm taking the input 2, so it is returning 1. What is the, there is some miss. Okay, some is n plus 1 column. कहाँ से चला गया था? Okay. 2 into 1's 3 into n comma m. It's to be right. Similarly for this one as well, 2 into n plus 1 to till the end. It is printing. It is not multiplying 2 times. Why? It should multiply. What is the? Let me again run it. Not enough input. Error in trio line 2. Line 2 we have error. A is equal to. I don't think so there is any error. Why it is printing, I don't know. Let me run it again. Okay, let me. Have I done something miss here? Kya? Once, let me rectify it. After that, I'll proceed to. I think now it's working fine. Fine. I have made some mistake here. When I separate it from one by one, then I find the mistake and solve it. So let's run again and show it to you. So let me. So as you can see, it's working fine. Now let me copy it from here, Control C, and let me paste here, Control V. Let me run this first. Is it working here or not? I think it should work now. You can see as it is working now. Let me submit it. Yeah, we passed all the tests. Now let me push my code into GitHub. So cd git add start git commit -m. What is the let me, what is the, okay, commit message week 5 wrap up solution. I'll put the link of my GitHub repo in the description below. You can check it out from there as well. So let me push it first. Git push. Okay, it is taking some time. Okay, now let me go to my account. Yeah, let me refresh it. Yeah, it's been refreshed. If you go here and you can see here what is the trio.m. You can see here the function is. That's nice. Okay, I hope you like this video. You can take from here as well. I hope you like this video. If you like, thank you so much for watching this video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely outside. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. Your love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't